One should work without being attached to the fruits of the activities. One should act just as a matter of duty. And if one works in this way, if one works just to perform his duty without being attached to the results, then he for sure attains supreme happiness. There were many such personalities who worked without attachment to the result of activities and attained perfection of life. There were many such self realized souls, and King Janak, the father of Sita, father in law of Lord Sri Ram, was one such personality. And there were many other personalities like that, and for them there is no obligatory duties, there is no obligation for them to perform prescribed duties in the Ved. It's not required to perform duties, and still they used to perform these prescribed duties just to set an example for the people in general. So you should also try to become an exemplary. Yadyad acharati sheshtaha. Whatever action a great man performs, the common man in general follow it. Whatever example, whatever standard he set by his own example, the whole world follow it. So, in general, juniors follow the seniors, and you should perform exemplary acts. You should perform perfect work so that your juniors in the family or at work follow you. Lord Krishna said, "Na me path asti kartavyam." There is no work prescribed for me in all three planetary systems, nor am I in need of anything, nor have I a need to obtain anything, and yet I am engaged in prescribed duties. For if I ever failed to engage in carefully performing prescribed duties, then certainly all men would follow my path. If I did not perform prescribed duties, then all this world would be put into ruination. Then I would be the cause of creating unwanted population, and I would thereby destroy the peace of all living beings. As a ignorant person perform his activities with the attachment to the result, similarly a learned person also perform his duties but without attachment to the result, just to teach the people, just to lead them on the right path. So the learned person and an ignorant man may be working in the same office, performing same job, but there is a difference. Ignorant person, he simply works for salary, and on getting it he spends in sense enjoyment, in sense gratification. But an learned person, he works with sincerity, with loyalty, and he spends the salary according to religious principles. He spends money in the service of God, in the service of parents, relatives, family members, and in charity and in society. So in this way, a learned person, he teach the people by his own example.